All right, back we go. Little morning recap on today's gainers. Incredible day again. Man, these stocks are popping. It's unbelievable. Right now, look at GameStop. This stock, it was flat all morning, pretty much at 45 line. And look over 45, takeoff. The total just momentum. Look at this move up. It's pure momentum. This one to 73. So this was up 30, almost $30, $28 today. Look at the daily chart. You have here, see the low getting higher, this explosion up. What was the news on this? Unbelievable. GameStop, tug of wars gives Reddit army a win on record volatility, short squeeze, surging. Short growth is like 21%. This is took off. I think, is this the all-time high? Let's go back to the monthly here. Yep, all-time high. Look at this. This stock does it before. 03 went up to 07, 12, the 14. And look at this, back down. It's like a double bottom, and we broke. Incredible. I mean, there's not much to say in this. You get in here at that 45 line. Excuse me. 45 line. Yeah, you can break these lines down. See 48. Here each line, but once I'm about here, that's my middle point. But incredible. There's nothing to say. It just took off complete long. CLII. See, this is a move straight up early. Then we went down. Are we going to bounce? Draw your line here over these. As a trend line. We got over 20. It did make a small bounce. Not a bad gain. $3, and then it faded sideways. That's not the best play though. You want to look for a low to high play like this AZRX, but it's completely low. It's moving up. You're above your 1320 EMA. And there it goes, 130 up to 260, straight line up. You can see in the daily on this, just back and forth, 250. This broke this line. See, I had this line. I might have even talked about this in a video. Check my videos out. I'm killing these plays. I'm on fire with all these plays. No one's calling these out. Everyone's just like, oh, I'm playing the top play, and that's it. You can see these plays before they're happening. So look at this over 125. Boom. Big breakup. Big breakup. And there we go. All right, ADMP. See, this made a move early. This was actually yesterday. Topped out, came back. So he tried to bounce, but nothing right now because the move was made too early. We had 2 strong days. It's a pullback. So it's pulling back a little bit. Here's the home run trade. MKD. Look at my Indiana Jones video on YouTube. This is one of my secret plays. And was I right? Of course. Falling wedge. Look at this. Look how wide too tight. That is a tight wedge. It's only going to go 2 ways. And 95% of the time it'll go up. It can go down. I've looked at patterns. They've gone down. Nothing works 100%. But the way the market is, small caps are strong. Look at this one up. 63 million in volume today. Look at this, 125. Now you got your 150 line. Yeah, who knows? When a candle's this big, you don't know. It could pull it back after today. So this is a big one-day move. Yeah, looking forward, this could go to 150, 175 plus. Look at the volume. And see, that's why if you know what you're looking for, I knew this was going to happen, just a matter of when. Look at the 90-cent line. This is such a low to high move. Then we broke up. There's a candle. Now you have a nice ascending triangle, 95 cents. Great time to get in. You have support your 1320 EMA coming up. Look at this right up. There's a nice gain from here to here. Then it pulled back and it rode up some more. Excuse me. I don't see any news. So no news in this. There might be news, but it's pure technical. It looks like YI, nice pop. Look at APWC, 425. Look at this go to 875. These stocks are making $4 gains. These stocks anywhere from a quarter now to 10 are just on fire. I mean, it's incredible. Like today's gainer is only 67%, but it's not the gain necessarily, it's the move. You're moving from like $1 to $8, 4 to 8. So this is another one. Look at this slowly move. Green candles coming about. Then we just rip. And sometimes it'll be a longer move. It'll be a straight up move. And if I had this on my list, what are my lists? My list changed. Hold on one second. For some reason, my list, I have all these penny stocks, personal, low float pump spikers. Here we go. All right, AWPC's on the list. So we went to October. What is January? See the low get higher. Explosion. So that's one. Another good move. Pola. This continues. Look at the daily here. Look at that. Incredible long. MTC popped. Here's PPSI. This is the known popper. Look at this. 7. Look how it already drawn out. Look at the low. Higher, higher. Explosion. God, I'm dry. ELSC. I think it. Did I do the video on this? I'm not sure. A lot more videos to come. These moves are incredible. So you can see here, this is another one. This is going to be right over 6. Right over 6 here. So look at this. Here, you bottomed at 350. You know, going up. Just look at the low, slightly going up. It's not a major move. And that's what's happening. These lows are holding. We're exploding. I'm not sure why all these are exploding. I mean, there's a lot of news coming out, but it seems like they're all at once moving. It's just the rotation, I guess, these penny stocks. Can't explain it any other way, the market, you know what I mean? AMP, look at AMP. See, look at this subtle move here. Cross, oversold, bounce. See what else here? OBLN. See, here's a one big move. You know, sometimes they'll keep going, but it came back inside there. Look at the volume. That's a low volume. That is a good sign. Then we brought it back again. It might even do this back and forth till we explode up again. See what else we get here. I'm just going down my top list. JMIA, crazy long. This continues. You can draw a line right from here to here. VBLT, look at this stock. Another one just riding up. TMDI. STIM. You know, it's slowly climbing. You sat it here. I'll set it here in $2, and a few months later, you're at $20. Jesus, incredible. There's Reed, NTN, NTN Buzz Time. Look at this big ascending triangle. July, September. Look at this go up. This is a flat top break right over 250. This has done it before and came back. So this puts in big, big spikes. Tell IBIO have this mapped out. Once you map these out, you know, they're easy to read too. You don't have to sit there and figure them out. That's why I'm trying to map out as many as I can. So look at this. Ears, the big move, it's like a flagpole, came down 250. Yeah, it's going sideways, holding 250. If you hold it this long, you know, chances it's going to break because I think it would move earlier down, but yeah, it's just a great sign where you're going that way. Look, it breaks up. There we go. Another move. SCSA. Look at this stock. Big gap down from 25. This one down to 355. Huge gap now. This one's sideways for about 4 months. It's starting to creep up. Now, where's this going to go? There's nothing in the gap here. Now, you could say right here, the bottom 9, or even up here, maybe 10. Yeah, I would look for that. It's a crazy move. Let me see here. If you draw this, even sideways, like a trend line right here. Let me look at that. So if you draw this trend line all the way down, let me see what FinViz has to say about this. SCSA. They don't really have a trend line here. But you could do another trend line like this way. And then here, see this? So yeah, that doesn't really connect down, but this is a major connection point. All these. So you can draw that. Maybe this goes to 810. See, it lines up. So that's interesting. All right, a few more here. MFH. Another line. Look at this. Four line. Look at this. Look how many times it's touched this four line. Draw it right down here. Back and forth, back and forth. Big cluster. So, this is telling me it's going to most likely break four. All right, so a quick recap this morning. The longs are on fire. These penny stock longs are just going down for months, are exploding up. Each day there's a new stock. Um, it's pretty incredible at this point. All right, please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button, helps my algorithm. That's it. Peace.